In this video, we are going to take a look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, also known as US 30 to some CFD traders. Here we're looking at the daily chart. On Friday, we can see that we opened and then moved sharply higher. In fact, the open from Friday was also the daily low. Last week with US equity markets, we had some very supportive comments from Federal Reserve officials who were suggesting that the anticipated increase in interest rates in 2015 may come later rather than sooner. We also heard some remarks from St. Louis Federal Reserve President Bullard, who indicated pretty much the same thing. Even though we had this verbal intervention last week, we still see that Friday's high was right around this key technical area. That is 16,426 and is the 38.2% retracement of the range we saw from September through October. So even when we have strong verbal intervention and fundamentals, the markets still follow these technicals. On this daily chart, we have drawn a red horizontal line at 15,615. That represents the level at which the Dow Jones would be in a technical correction. We are a little bit a ways from that area now. We'll continue to see if the Dow can remain above that area. Moving over to our weekly chart, we can see last week we moved below the 50-week moving average, and we also took out the 16,096 area. If you look at a daily chart and intraday chart, you will see that stops were hit below that 16,096 area last week. On the downside, we're also focusing on 15,711, 15,524, and 15,320. Again, on this monthly chart, we see that 15,711 level as key, and below that 14,782 if we really go into a tailspin. Thank you for tuning into this video on the Dow.